Hello everyone, myself Mandira Patil and my partner name is Omkar Kadam, student of Ashokrao Mane Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Research Save. This video is guided by Mr. Azad Dhage sir. We are present topic name English type of spoilage and give factors affecting microbial spoilage. Microbial spoilage. Introduction. Type of spoilage. Factors affecting the microbial spoilage of pharmaceutical product. Introduction. Microorganisms form an integral part of environment as they are present in air, water, soil, food, etc. Different types of microorganisms mainly contaminate and the pharmaceutical preparation and spoil it. Such spoilage result in major health problem to the users and manufacturing. In injection, eye drops and certain dressing sterility must be seen, otherwise infection causes harmful reaction. Oral and topical preparation may cause infections after microbial contamination. Pharmaceutical product may considered to be microbiological spoiled if low levels of pathogenic microbes or toxic microbial metabolites are present and detectable physical or chemical changes have occurred in product. Oral formulation contaminated by microorganism mainly causes gastrointestinal disorder. Example, Salmonella typhi. External semi-solid preparation applied on skin provide the opportunity for Pseudomonas and Staphylococcus and produce localized infection. Types of spoilage. First, infection induced by contaminated pharmaceutical product. Second, physical and chemical deterioration of product. Third, observable effect of microbial attack on product. Ingredients susceptible to microbial attack in that one therapeutic agent, surface active agent, polymer and humectants, fats and oil, preservative and disinfectants, sweetening, flavoring and coloring agent. First, infection induced by contaminated pharmaceutical product. Pharmaceutical product may be contaminated by pathogenic microorganism mainly from raw material or at the time of preparation. They cause serious infection to the when they use these drugs. Different dosage form and contaminated microorganisms are responsible for disease are as follows. Second, physical and chemical deterioration of product. The rate of deterioration of ingredient depend upon its chemical structure, physiochemical properties of particular environment. Some naturally occurring ingredients are particularly sensitive to attack. Crude vegetable and animal extract often contain wide assortments. Third, observable effect of microbial attack on product. Microbial spoilage of different dosage form may be detected by organoleptic aids. Spoiled product may release very unpleasant smelling and tasting such as occur fatty acid, earthy, amine and smells. Formulation become colored green, pink, browny, black or spoiled cream become gritty or lumpy. Surface active is reduced. Fourth one, ingredients susceptible to microbial attack in that one therapeutic agent. Laboratory experiments have demonstrated that drugs are capable of gross degradation by a wide variety of microorganisms. Many microbial transformations are useful for production of potent steroids. Aspirin may be converted to salicylic acid and penicillin to inactive products. Second, surface active agent. Alkali metals and amine soaps of fatty acids are generally stable due to slightly alkaline pH of formulation, which is easily degraded in sewage. The cationic surfactant used as antiseptic and preservative in pharmacy are slowly degraded at high dilution in sewage. Third, polymer and humectant. Thickening and suspending agents used in pharmacy are subjected to microbial depolymerization by extracellular enzyme yielding nutritive fragments and monomers. Example, starch, pectin, dextran, protein and carboxymethyl cellulose. 4. Fats and oil. These are attacked extensively when dispersed in aqueous formulation such as oil in water emulsion. The microbial metabolism of hydrocarbon oils present a considerable problem in engineering and fuel technology when water is present as contaminant. 5. Preservative and disinfectant. Most organic preservative and disinfectant are metabolized readily by many bacteria and fungi and may serve as growth substrate at concentration. below their effective use levels. Degradation is less commonly reported. Organisms grow in dilute forms. 6. Sweetening, flavoring, and coloring agent. Many sugars and other sweetening agents used in pharmacy are ready substrates for microbial growth. Some are used in high concentration to reduce water activity. Aqueous stock solutions support growth of organism. Example: peppermint water and or chloroform water, and coloring agents such as tetracycline readily support growth of bacteria and yeast. Factors affecting the microbial spoilage of pharmaceutical product. The physical and chemical status of pharmaceutical formulation influence the type and extent of microbial spoilage considerably. A specific combination of conditions within a product may favor its degradation by particular group of microorganisms. Factors affecting the microbial spoilage are as follows. First, size of inoculum. Second, nutritional factors. Third, moisture content. 4, temperature. 5, pH. 6, redox potential. 7, protective components. First, size of inoculum. Ingredients contaminated by a high-level microorganism causes appreciable microbial degradation. However, inoculum size alone is not always a reliable indicator of likely spoilage potential. Second, nutritional factors. Gross microbial spoilage of pharmaceutical products generally requires appreciable growth in dosage form. The use of crude vegetable or animal product in formulation provide additionally nutrition environment. Third, moisture content. Dissolved components of an aqueous formulation may form a complex with water molecule. The high concentration of solute in the formulation indicate the water activity is low. Condensed moisture films can form on the surface of tablets or bulk oils. 4. Temperature. Spoilage of pharmaceutical may occur over the range of about 10 to 60 degrees Celsius. Storage with specific temperature range the spoilage. Water for injection should be at 80 degrees Celsius prior sterilization to prevent pyrogen production. 5th, pH. Extreme of pH prevent microbial attack. Although growth of molds commonly observed in solution of dilute hydrochloric acid, preserved flavored pharmaceutical product can support growth of microbes. Redox potential. The ability of microbes to grow up environment is influenced by as redox balance. Oxygen removal controlled spoilage in medicine. Due to high solubility of oxygen, emulsion become viscous. 7. Protective components. Various components of formulation and product may increase the resistance and contaminated microorganisms. Some substances such as surfactant, suspending agent, and protein can increase the resistance of microorganisms to preservatives. Thank you.